Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tonya, and if you're returning, well, today I'm going to be working on my fall series. If you enjoy this today, I hope you do like, share, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with our first one. This is our Hello Autumn wall art piece, and everyone, these are all the Dollar Tree items. Now a couple of these I got out of the Dollar Tree Plus section, and these are really simple designs, and I just wanted to do something really simple today, and I think these will go right straight through the fall into Thanksgiving season, and they did not take a lot of work. You can see I'm just using some fabric that I had in my fabric box, and they also have some really pretty fabric at Dollar Tree. So these are mostly Dollar Tree items. And I'm just going to take this fabric. I love this little pinstripe, and I love the neutral colors on this, and you can see I just cut that around, kind of extra large around the edges of the pumpkin, and that way I could fold it over and glue it down. And I did just use the hot glue on this. That seemed to hold the fabric the best on this MDF board. And you just want to pull it really tight until you get it nice and snug. And then I'm going to take that little extra piece that was on top, and I'm just going to cover that, and that just kind of give these pumpkins some dimension. But I really love how these turned out, everyone. And this is kind of really the style that I enjoy to put in my home. Very simple, and I love to create everything, but this is kind of what I favor the most. So you'll have to let me know in the comments below, what is your decorating style? Do you like the simplicity of the designs? And I know a lot of you do like the neutral decor, or do you like to just go all out with all of the big blooms of fall colors and leaves? And honestly, sometimes I will switch it up and add some of the fall colors and a lot of brightness to my designs. Now, of course, I'm just going to take some of that rope twine and just wrap around there on the stem and add that little bow that came on the pumpkins right back to it. And I'm going to take some of my ivory white chalk paint and just add a good thick coat of that to this wood board frame. I guess that's what this is. I mean, you could do anything with these. They have these at Dollar Tree in the Plus section for $3, and I just love these. But I thought this is going to be such a really beautiful neutral design by just painting this white and then doing these pumpkins in this fabric on here. And if you guys have not checked out those window clings that they have, you'll see here in a moment I'm going to use one of those to put the Hello Autumn right at the top. I love these colors. They work really well with the neutral decor palette, so that was a great little find. So you can see here how pretty that looks with my pumpkins, and I just love the simplicity of this design. And here it is displayed on the wall, and I think it looks beautiful. Let me know what you think of this one. Well, everyone, I'll go ahead and mention, stay to the end. I've only got 3 DIYs for you today, but I'm going to give you the information on the giveaway for me reaching the 5,000 subscribers. And once again, thank you so much for being here with me and helping me grow my channel. I love sharing this journey with you. Now let's get to our Pumpkin Trio wall art piece. Now, once again, I'm going to be taking some more of my fabric that I had in my craft box. And like I said, they've really got some pretty ones at Dollar Tree, but I'm trying to use up some of the things that I have in my craft stash, so that's why I'm using some of the fabrics that I had. And I am a fan of using some of these yellows and browns. I think that really looks pretty with the neutral decor also. And I'm using the tacky glue on this. And I'm just going to take the back of my paintbrush, and you can see with that tacky glue, you can move your fabric. And I thought that would be really neat to have those little indentions in the fabric. And then I just take and use my glue gun and just glue these down on the back. And you'll see in a moment, I will use the little tumbling tower blocks just to raise this up a little bit before I apply it to my narrow wood board there. And I love those little pumpkin boards that they have that hang from Dollar Tree. I think there's so many different things that you can do with those. You'll have to let me know if you guys pick those up to create with, because I'd love to cut them down and make little boxes and use them for wall art like this. But isn't this turning out really pretty? I just got looking at these little palettes, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to see if I can get that fabric on there and just push the creases down in. And I really like how this turned out. I thought it was a really unique way to make some pumpkin decor for the fall season. Now you can see I do have those little letters and words there made out of that faux leather, and I actually placed them on there. I don't put those on this particular design, but I do place them on there so you can see what they would look like. And like I said, this will probably be one I may keep in my home, and I just like my designs to be very simple, and that's why I didn't put the letters on mine here today. But it definitely looked really pretty when I placed them on there. And everyone, if you haven't got a hula skirt, definitely pick those up in the spring, because they are wonderful to use these pieces to tie around your pumpkin stems there for just that little bit of something at the top of your pumpkin. Now you can see I ended up picking out some of my yellow fabric for that middle one. And then I just took some of this drop cloth material that I had cut up and used that for the top pumpkin. But I thought this was just such a neat and simple design. And I really like how it still goes with the neutral decor palette. But everyone, I hope that you're enjoying these today. Like I said, there's only 3 of them, and they're very simple. And then we'll, at the end, talk about the giveaway that I'm going to do for the 5,000 subscribers. And right here, see, I placed those on there. I almost did glue those on there. They do look really pretty. I still might do that. But I really love this design, so I hope you do also. And here is a little video where I had it placed on the wall. But everyone, back to what I was saying. We're going to go ahead and do a few more videos of the fall series throughout September. I do have some Christmas ones lined up, and I may pop one of those in next week. It just depends. And definitely found some really neat thrift store items. So we'll see what happens, but I got a few more fall ones coming up. Now for our last one, we're going to be doing this pumpkin shelf sitter. And everyone, I picked this up when they first put out their fall decor at the Dollar Tree Plus section. And I just really was not loving that galvanized look, and I wanted to add some warmth to this design. So I decided, of course you know me if you follow my channel, I had to get that base painted white. And then I just pulled out some more of that fabric from my craft box, and I really like this one. I love how it had that neutral vibe still to it. Goes great with my decor. And if you're going to try to glue the fabric onto this, definitely use some tacky glue. And I tried to actually use some hot glue when I was putting some yarn around the stem, and I had to go back to the tacky glue. So keep that in mind. It seems like tacky glue works really well on this galvanized metal to help things hold. And look how neat this is. I was just taking that fabric and really working it down into those little grooves. And I really liked how it made the pumpkin come to life with the fabric on there when I had done that. And I'm just going to trim around the edges. And then once again, we'll just glue the back of that down with the tacky glue. And then I end up just taking another piece of the fabric and kind of covering up those raw edges on the back. But everyone, once again, I want to thank all of you that have been subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you consider doing so. I've got a lot of really fun DIYs coming up for the Christmas season, and really through the rest of the year and beginning into next year. I have a lot of them planned. So I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And also don't forget to follow me over there on TikTok and Instagram. You'll find those links in the description below. And also, if you go to my home page and scroll up, I have been adding playlists for you to be able to go watch groups of the videos. I've been working on trying to get that really organized on that home page so you can find kind of everything right there in one area for you to click on if you'd like to watch more. And you can see there where I just put that fabric right on the back, and that kind of finished this design off. And we're going to finish this one with some actually white yarn I decided to put on this time instead of the rope twine. And I just thought that would look really pretty with the white base on this one. And that really made this one look really pretty for you neutral decor people that are like me. I just love my neutral decor. But I am going to try to start picking out maybe a color or two to pop in with mine for the Christmas season. I haven't decided what I want to do yet. If you guys are already planning your Christmas theme, you'll have to let me know in the comments what you're going to be doing. Maybe you'll give me some great ideas. And here this one is, and I just think that it looks so pretty and just so simple sitting there on the shelf with the candlesticks. Well, everyone, right here in a moment, it's going to come up about the giveaway rules, and I hope that all of you do enter because, like I said, we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree gift card. Well, for the giveaway, of course, like I said, it's going to be a Dollar Tree gift card. And to enter, I just need you to comment on this video and tell me something that you love about fall. And I want you to like, share, and be subscribed to my channel. And then you will be entered in the giveaway, and we will draw the winner on that next Sunday. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it today, and thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.